Sketch, read by Troy,
Jesse,
and Julian. Down beneath the fir tree, Tim was gleefully gobbling his cheese when something began to bother his knee. 'Twas only a niggle, the teeniest itch, but that fidgety feeling grew to an itch. "Ah!" cried Tiny Timkin.
I've got an itch, a terrible twitch that niggles and niggles like fleas with giggles. It's really a frightfully feverish patch. Oh, please, could somebody give me a scratch?
Feather McDoo was cruising the sky. He flew straight down on hearing the cry.
"Don't worry,"
she said.
"I'll scratch your scratch."
And so she did. Feather tweezed Timkin's knees while Timkin gleefully gobbled his cheese beneath the fir-fruit trees. But soon came a niggly, fidgety feeling.
Oh!
Cried Feather McDoo.
I've got an itch, a terrible twitch that jiggles and jiggles like porcupine prickles. A bubbling, feverish patch. Oh, please, could somebody give me a scratch?
Possum Pie was licking his thumb, savoring a fir-fruit plum. "Don't worry," he said. "I'll scratch your scratch." And so he did. Possum scratched Feather's back, Feather tweezed Timkin's knees, and Timkin gleefully gobbled his cheese beneath the fir-fruit trees. But soon came a niggity, fidgety feeling.
Oh!
Cried Possum Pie.
I've got an itch, a terrible twitch. My tail is all tweezy and feathery sneezy, a dreadfully dynamite, devilish patch. Oh, please, could somebody give me a scratch?
Hedgehog was snuffling and sniffling a snail. He heard Possum cry for a scratch of his tail.
"Don't worry,"
he said.
"I'll scratch your scratch."
And so he did. Hedgehog trailed Possum's tail, Possum scratched Feather's back, Feather tweezed Timkin's knees, and Timkin gleefully gobbled his cheese beneath the fir-fruit trees. But soon came a niggity, fidgety feeling.
"Oh!"
cried Hedgehog.
"I've got an itch, a terrible twitch that oozes my toes like nobody knows. A totally teasingly ticklish patch. Oh, please, could somebody give me a scratch?"
Just at that moment, Fuzzy O'Hare came swinging and swagging, hopping with flair.
Don't worry, he said. I'll scratch your scratch.
And so he did. Fuzzy tweaked Hedgehog's feet, Hedgehog trailed Possum's tail, Possum scratched Feather's back, Feather tweezed Timkin's knees, and Timkin gleefully gobbled his cheese beneath the fir-fruit trees. But soon came a niggity, fidgety feeling. Niggled.
Ah!
cried Fuzzy O'Hare.
I've got an itch, a terrible twitch, a bubbly, fizzly, twingy, twizzly, horribly, hippelish, howlish patch. Oh, please, could somebody get me a scratch?
But all was quiet. Nobody hopped or swung from the trees, or sniffled or snuffled, or flew in the breeze to scratch poor Fuzzy's itch. And so that fidgety itch just grew, till Fuzzy cried out,
"Oh, what can I do? It's sure to explode at a feverish pitch. Oh, please, could somebody scratch my itch?"
Just then there came a teensy sound as Timkin dropped his cheese on the ground.
I'm sure I can reach every shovel around.
And so they did. Then Timkin twitched Fuzzy tweaked Hedgehog's feet, Hedgehog trailed Possum's tail, Possum scratched Feather's back, and Feather tweezed Timkin's knees beneath the fir-fruit trees.
And
The animals sighed. At last, their itch was satisfied. Then all the friends disappeared with ease. So Timkin went as quick as you please, back to gleefully gobbling his cheese beneath the fir-fruit trees.
oh no, please don't start that again. Don't worry, I won't.